In this video, we're going to focus on how we can use the reverse VLOOKUP using the index match function combined. So what we have here is the following situation. We have here a category of fruits and juices, and we have here the item name related to that. So this table is great. However, I have here the kiwi, and what I want to do now is extract the category name. With the VLOOKUP, that is not possible. So we need to reverse the VLOOKUP with the index and match. So let's start to work on it. First of all, we're going to use the index function. And the index function gives us the column number. So what I'm going to select here is on the formula builder. Then I'm going to select the upper argument, confirm that. And then in here we have the array. And the array is basically the table data. So I'm going to select the entire table data where we can find the answer. Next, we can find the row number, or ask which row number do we need. And in this case, I know I need the second row number because kiwi is in the second row number based on the array. So this is a relative number. So I'm going to say here number 2. Then the column number, and we know that the fruit category or the category is in column 1. And this is column 2, so column 1 is the category. We say here number 1. If I click here on done, you can see we get the fruit as value. However, if I change this to water, you can see that this doesn't change. To change that, I would basically have to go into the row number and select the 5th row because that is the water. So I say number 5, confirm that, and then it becomes a drink. So how can we soft code that? The match function allows us to extract the row number, and that's what we're going to do right now. So what I'm going to say here, I'll type in match, open parentheses, and going to select again the formula builder. So we have a nice visual. And what are we going to search for, or what is the lookup value? In this case, the lookup value is water. So once we did that, I want to get here the lookup array. And the lookup array is the specific column where we can find the answer. And this is a specific column, so it's only one column. In this case, the column here is column C. Once I did that, I want to indicate the match type, which is 0. That would mean that whatever the value is here, it will search for an exact match of water, nothing add on. So if it would be apple, it will be only searching for apple, not for apple juice. So 0 is very important here for exact match. Put on done, or click on done, and then we get the value here. So if I say here now kiwi, it shows that. If I say apple, it shows number 1. So it knows which row to select. So what I'm going to do now is just going to grab this entire formula here, we copy all of that, escape, go in here. Once I click on that, because I have the formula builder already open, it will ask me immediately. So I'm going to select again the upper argument and just remove the number 5 here. Paste what we copied, but remove the equal sign. That is not allowed in the formula builder. So once we did that, click on done, and you can see here now it shows. So if I say apple, it is a fruit, but if I put in apple juice, it is a juice. If I say water, it shows drink as category.